Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix your error. So if you're not receiving code when you try to restore your password, so you just try to enter a new password and you just not receiving code. So how you can fix it? So for fixing it, first thing, just go to the to the settings, open the settings, and in the settings you need to turn on airplane mode, wait a few seconds and just turn it off, so it will restore your career. And if it doesn't help you, just check if you disable VPN, so you just need to disable VPN because uh, Facebook could not send you code because of this VPN. So, and if it doesn't help you, just go to the general, just scroll down, and here you will see shutdown. Just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait a few seconds, and just power on your phone again. So just simple, restore your phone. And if it doesn't help you too, you can also try to update your Facebook. So just go to App Store, just go to search tab, in search tab just write Facebook, and here you will see Facebook, and here if you see here not open with an update, just tap on update and it will successfully download and install the latest updates on your Facebook. So this is a way how you can also fix it. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.